Hi, hello everyone. This is me, Mamta Sachdeva. I've just arrived from a Hong Kong flight. I've just reached my hotel and I saw the room was awesome. So I just wanted to share that with you. So just be with me and I'll show you how the room looks. So this is the entrance of the room. And I got inside and it's really nice. Have a look. It's absolutely fantastic. Wow. There's a little couch as well. Very pretty. Very nice mirror. Great bed. Amazing closet. A TV. Awesome. Beautiful. Yeah, awesome. Very nice. And that's my baggage. I just arrived, so I just saw it and I couldn't resist, so I said I will show it to you. So even the bathroom, it's very nice. That's a shower separate on the side. And yeah, awesome. Absolutely awesome. After a very long flight, when you get a nice room, thakavat bhi feel nahi hoti. You feel fresh. So I feel good now because I started from home. Puri raat ki flight thi, and now seeing this room, I really feel good and I appreciate it. Dekhte hain bahar view kaisa hai. Let me just open the curtain. वाओ, व्यू भी बहुत अच्छा है. आई थिंक पीछे सी है एंड फेरी चल रही है यहाँ से, आई थिंक मकाओ जाने के लिए. तो हांगकांग में वाओ, नाइस, अमेजिंग, एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. पानी को देख के तो वैसे ही इंसान फ्रेश हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ द व्यू फ्रॉम माई रूम विच आई एम गोना एंजॉय. नाउ इट्स अर्ली मॉर्निंग. सो I'm here till tomorrow. कल तक हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. तो देखते हैं और क्या क्या देखने को मिलता है यहाँ पे. So this is it. Me signing off once again, and we will talk to each other. I will show you some more videos hopefully soon, and talk to you later. Bye bye. Have a nice day.